Good morning, students. So we are moving with our next topic of physics. The name of topic is what we have done so far. We have done the refraction through a glass slab. Now we will do the experiment of same. How we will write it as an experimental form, and the aim is like this. We suppose this is a glass slab. Incident ray is falling at an oblique angle on one face of the glass slab. So after refraction, it bends from its original path of incidence. We have to show that. What is the aim? When a ray of light falls at an oblique angle to one of the face of glass slab, okay, it bends from its original path of incidence. From its original path of incidence. We have to show it experimentally. Okay. For that, you will take a glass slab and place it on a sheet of paper. Okay, white sheet of paper, and draw the boundary of glass slab with the help of pencil as ABCD. So you will first write we will place the glass slab on the white sheet of paper. And mark its boundary with pencil as ABCD. That you can easily do. ABCD with pencil. So what now you will do? You will place two pens like this, like I'm placing the pen now. You have to place the nail pens like this, P1 and P2, such that if we join them, they are making an incident line which is falling at an oblique angle to one of the face of glass slab. So next what we will do, we will place P1 and P2 vertically on the sheet of paper place P1 and P2 vertically on the sheet of paper such that the line joining P1 जो line join कर रही है, the line joining P1 and P2 falls at an oblique angle to one of the face of slab. Face of glass slab. Now you move to the other face of glass prism and see the image of this P1 and P2. You will see a line. You will see a line in which this P1 and P2 will appear in one line. If you look from the other face of glass slab, you will see a line in which P1 and P2 are aligned. अगर आप ग्लास स्लैब के दूसरी साइड जाके देखोगे तो आपको दोनों पेन एक ही लाइन में दिखेंगे. When you see these pens from the other side of glass slab, these two pens will appear in a straight line. So when you see the pins from other side of glass slab, they will appear in a straight line. And after that you place P3 and P4 to represent that line. Place P3 and P4 along the same line. उसी लाइन में P3 और P4 प्लेस करो जिसमें P1 P2 अपीयर हो रहे हैं. Place P3 and P4 along the same line in which P1 and P2 are appearing from the other face of prism, जो दूसरी साइड से दिख रहे हैं, face of glass slab. अब पेन्स को रिमूव कर दो. नाउ रिमूव द पेन्स. Join P1 and P2. Similarly, join P3 and P4. Okay. Next, you will get like this now. This is the point. P1 here, P2 here. So P3 here, P4 here. The line joining P1 P2 intersect the face at B, and they intersect the face at D. Not D, it is E. This is F. So line joining P1 and P2 will meet the face of slab at E, and the line joining P3 and P4 will meet the face slab at F. Okay, it is meeting at F, it is meeting at E. Draw a normal NN dash at E point, NN dash, and draw a normal MM dash at F point. This is E point na, so this is F point. So अब हम we will draw normal NN dash at E point and draw normal MM dash at F point. Like this we have done like this. This is P1. So this is P1, this is P2. It is meeting at point E, and it is meeting at point F. This is P3, this is P4, and we have drawn a normal like this, that is N dash, and we have drawn a normal M dash. Now join EF. In next step you will write, every step you will write join EF. So now measure this P2EN. P2EN, measure it. This is the angle of incident. And measure P3FM. This is angle of emergent. They will be equal. तो वो दोनों इक्वल आएंगे. And ray entering glass slab bends from original path of incidence. So this is a concept. While performing this experiment, you have to, means there is a one precaution, not a precaution, it's a concept where you have to place the pins P1, P2, P3, P4 at some distance from each other. So this is the topic that is for today. You will do that. So what we have done so far, when जब एक रे ऑफ लाइट एक ओब्लीक एंगल पे फॉल होगी to one of the face of glass slab, it will bend from the original path of incidence. What we have done, we have placed the glass slab on white paper and marked its boundary ABCD with pencil. Vertically हमने P1 और P2 पेंस को प्लेस किया ऑन द शीट ऑफ पेपर सच दैट द लाइन जॉइनिंग P1 P2. जब P1 P2 को एक लाइन जॉइन करवाई तो वो एक ओब्लीक एंगल पे फॉल हुई टू वन ऑफ द फेस ऑफ ग्लास स्लैब, मतलब AB फेस पे. अब हम उस पेंस को जब दूसरी साइड से देखेंगे तो वो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में अपीयर होंगे. उसी स्ट्रेट लाइन में हमें दो पेंस और प्लेस करने हैं ताकि P1 P2 P3 P4 सारे एक लाइन में दिखें. When you see the pins from the other side of glass slab, they will appear in a straight line, and place P3 P4 along the same line in which P1 P2 are appearing from the other face of glass slab. So now remove the pins, join P1 P2, similarly join P3 P4. जो P1 P2 को जॉइन करके लाइन बनी है वो फेस को मीट कर रही है स्लैब के E पे, यहाँ E है, और जो P3 P4 को जॉइन करके बनी है वो मीट कर रही है F पे. तो एक नॉर्मल E पे ड्रा करो NN डैश, एक नॉर्मल F पे ड्रा करो MM डैश पे. MM डैश नॉर्मल का नाम है. जॉइन ही आप दोनों एंगल मेजर करो, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस, एंगल ऑफ इमर्जेंट, वो इक्वल आएंगे. तो यहाँ से एंड में हम ये कहेंगे रे जो एंटर हुई थी ग्लास स्लैब में वो बेंड होगी फ्रॉम द ओरिजिनल पाथ ऑफ इंसिडेंस. Thank you.